Sicela bonke abantu base Ningizimu Afrika bazilungiselele lolu hlelo lokubalwa.
Enumerators will be wearing bibs, their supervisors will be wearing bibs and caps of a different color. There will be ID cards and a hotline in operation so that supposing you were living in Arcadia here in Pretoria and an enumerator came to your house, you weren't sure. Before you let them in, you could call the call center, who will then be able to identify and confirm that that is indeed the enumerator assigned to your area.
It will take about 45 minutes for a household that is about 5 people, 4 people, and much less for a household that has fewer people. So 45 minutes every 10 years, it's not a lot of time to spend on the census, so we urge you to participate in this.
The population of South Africa could be around 50 million. We need to know if that is true and how that population is distributed in terms of our settlements. We need to know whether the old and the young, the rich and the poor, the employed and the unemployed, the learners, the educated and the uneducated live, work, and play. The information collected will help government to plan for the future. We must obtain answers to questions such as what must South Africa tomorrow look like? How many schools are we going to have to build to ensure quality education for all children? How many hospitals or clinics do we need for our sick and the infirm? How much food must we produce now and in the future to eradicate hunger? To obtain answers to these questions and others, thousands of census enumerators are going to visit every part of the country. They will visit communities, going door to door in almost 15 million households, in all 11 official languages plus French and Portuguese, to cover immigrant communities. Let us all stand up to be counted. I thank you.